Hey everyone, I'm Landon Eskridge with Pyxis. Today I'm here to show you how to calibrate and clean your ST-765 series sensor using the uPyxis app. To begin, we're going to perform a process calibration on your oxidizer. You're going to want to leave the sensor in the system, head over to the uPyxis app, connect to the sensor, go over to the Configure tab, and scroll down to Calibration. For the slope calibration, you want to collect a grab sample and use an offline verification device. In this case, we're using the SP200 OXIPacket to test for free and total chlorine. We found that free chlorine is 1.7 and our total chlorine was 1.95. Once you know this, you're going to head back over to the app, hit slope cal, type in the appropriate number, and hit confirm. In this case, since we have two oxidizers, we're going to repeat the process for both. Once you've done that, you've calibrated your sensor. For the pH calibration, you're going to remove the sensor from the process, place it in a pH 7 buffer solution. Hold on. After placing your probe in the pH buffer solution, we want to emphasize how important it is to wait and let the reading in the app stabilize before hitting confirm in all of the 7, the 4, and the 10 solutions. That way we can be as dialed in as possible. Scroll down to the pH section, hit pH 7, and confirm. Once you do this, you're calibrated to 7. Now you just need to repeat the same process for your acid in a 4 pH and your base in a 10 pH solution. If after you place the sensor back in the system, you're still getting inaccurate readings, or before you calibrate, you notice large deposits or buildup on the sensor head, it's time to clean it. To do so, you're going to place the sensor in our cleaning solution for about 30 minutes. Once you've let it sit, take it out, scrub it with the brush, clean it with the felt pads, and rinse with DI water. You should be good to go. If for some reason your calibration is way off or you're still getting sporadic readings, you can perform a factory reset. This can be found under the pH section. You're going to want to click Factory Parameter Restore and confirm. This will return the sensor to its factory settings. If you're not utilizing our combined free and total chlorine variant, don't worry, our process is the exact same. In the uPyxis app, it will show the appropriate oxidizer. If you have any questions during this process, feel free to reach out to our team at any time. We're here to help. See you guys.